How do the wealthy keep getting wealthier? It's a question that has intrigued many, and today we're going to explore some of the answers. We'll delve into the world of wealth creation, a realm where assets play a pivotal role. These are the tools and vehicles that the rich use to grow their wealth, and they're not as out of reach as you might think. So buckle up and stay tuned to discover 15 assets that are making people rich. Asset number 1, small businesses. In the journey of wealth creation, small businesses play a pivotal role. They are the lifeblood of the economy, and they carry an immense potential for profitability. Think about it. When you own a small business, you're not just earning a living, you're building an asset that can appreciate in value over time. More than that, you're cultivating a source of passive income that can serve you well into the future. Entrepreneurship is not just about financial gain. It's about creating value, fostering innovation, and making a difference in your community. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and creating a legacy that can last for generations. Indeed, successful entrepreneurs understand that small businesses are more than just establishments. They are wealth-building tools that, when managed properly, can lead to financial freedom. So that's the power of small businesses, an avenue to amass wealth. Our second asset, mobile apps. In this era of smartphones, the potential of mobile applications as a wealth-building asset cannot be overstated. Think of some of the most successful apps you use daily. They began as ideas and transformed into digital tools that generate substantial passive income for their creators. Now you might say, but I'm not a coder. Well, you don't need to be. Many successful app entrepreneurs have hired talented developers to bring their ideas to life. The key here is the idea and understanding the market's needs and the beauty of it. Once your app is live and thriving, it can become a perpetual source of income requiring minimal upkeep. Consider this. There are millions of smartphone users worldwide, each with numerous apps on their devices. If your app can capture even a tiny fraction of that market, the financial rewards could be significant. Mobile apps, a digital goldmine if exploited properly. Asset number 3, real estate. It is a tangible asset that offers a sense of stability and security. You see, it's a proven wealth creator. Whether you're buying to let, investing in commercial properties, or flipping houses, each strategy can lead to significant profits over time. And let's not forget the beauty of passive income from rental properties, a consistent cash flow that can truly be a game changer. Moreover, real estate can act as a hedge against inflation, maintaining, if not increasing its value over time. Unlike other assets, the value of real estate rarely depreciates. Instead, it often appreciates, making it a smart, long-term investment. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your wealth-building journey, real estate presents a multitude of opportunities to increase your net worth and secure your financial future. Real estate, a tangible asset that rarely depreciates. Our fourth asset, collectibles. A world of hidden treasures, collectibles encompass a diverse range of items, from vintage cars and antique coins to rare stamps and fine art. These are not just relics of the past or pieces of beauty, they are potential gold mines. Think about it. That classic car tucked away in someone's garage today could be a collector's dream tomorrow. A seemingly insignificant stamp could turn out to be a rare find worth a fortune. Coins from forgotten eras, paintings by unrecognized artists, all could be sitting on a wealth of untapped potential. Collectibles, you see, appreciate in value over time. But it's not just about the money. Collecting these items can be a passion, a hobby, a journey into the past. It's like holding a piece of history in your hands. So the next time you come across a vintage item, remember, it's not just a piece of old junk. It could be your ticket to riches. Collectibles, an interesting blend of passion and investment. Asset number 5, domain names. A domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browser URL bar to visit your site. But did you know that domain names can be a lucrative asset? Just like real estate, prime domain names are finite and in demand. Imagine owning a domain name that a big corporation wants to use. They'd be willing to pay a hefty price for it. That's where the investment potential comes in. By purchasing and holding onto domain names, you can sell them at a profit when demand increases. Take the example of carinsurance.com, which was bought for $49 million, or insurance.com sold for $35.6 million. The numbers speak for themselves. If you're an investor looking for a unique asset class, consider domain names. It's an exciting field that marries technology, branding, and real estate. Domain names, the real estate of the internet. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Our sixth asset, digital real estate. A fascinating frontier of modern wealth accumulation that's as vast as the internet itself. Websites and social media accounts, these are the virtual properties of the 21st century. Consider the value of a website. It's a digital storefront open to the entire globe, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And social media? They're the bustling city squares of the digital world where brands and influencers alike can attract massive audiences. Now imagine owning these digital properties. You'd be the landlord of your own corner of the internet, generating income from advertising, e-commerce, subscriptions, and more. As the digital world continues to grow and evolve, so too does the potential of these virtual assets. So consider investing in digital real estate. It's not just about owning a piece of the internet, it's about harnessing its immense potential for wealth. Digital real estate, a virtual asset with real potential. Asset number 7, stocks. The allure of the stock market is undeniable. It's a world where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, and where the bold and the brave find their reward. Investing in stocks is more than just buying a piece of a company. It's about becoming part owner of a living, breathing entity that grows, innovates, and sometimes revolutionizes the world. The potential returns are immense. Picture this. You invest in a small tech startup, and in a few years it becomes the next big thing. Your small investment could multiply exponentially, transforming into a fortune. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. The stock market is a roller coaster, and not everyone is built for the ride. However, if you're willing to study, strategize, and stay the course, stocks could be your golden goose. So take the plunge, invest in the future, and become a part of something bigger. Stocks, a direct ticket to shared business ownership. Our eighth asset, bonds. They're essentially IOUs, but not just any IOUs. These are issued by entities such as governments or corporations when they need to raise money. In return for your investment, these entities promise to pay you back with interest. What makes bonds particularly attractive is their steady and predictable nature. When you invest in bonds, you essentially know the return on investment you'll get and when you'll get it. Now, isn't that a comforting thought? Bonds are often referred to as fixed income securities, and for good reason. The income they generate is well fixed. It's like having an income stream that trickles into your account, come rain or shine. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, bonds can be an excellent addition to your portfolio. They provide a cushion, a sense of security amid the wild swings of the stock market. Bonds, a safe harbor in the financial storm. Asset number 9, private equity. Picture this. You're part of an exclusive club where the stakes are high and the rewards potentially massive. Welcome to the world of private equity. This isn't your everyday stock market. Here we're talking about investing directly into private companies, often with the goal of acquiring control. You see, unlike publicly traded companies, private firms don't have shares available on the stock market. So to invest in them, you need to be part of a private equity fund. These funds pool resources from several investors to buy stakes in promising companies. But remember, with the potential for high returns comes high risk. Private equity investments are less liquid and more susceptible to market volatility. But for those who dare, the rewards can be substantial, often outpacing traditional investments. So if you're willing to play the long game and you've got the nerve to weather the storms, private equity could be your ticket to significant wealth. Private equity, a high-risk, high-reward game. Our 10th asset, REITs. Now let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They offer a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of owning physical property. You might think of them as a mutual fund for real estate investments. Investing in REITs can provide a steady income stream, as these companies must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. This requirement makes them an attractive option for income-focused investors. Moreover, REITs provide diversification benefits, as they often invest in a variety of property types and geographical locations. So imagine you could have a stake in a shopping mall in California, an office building in New York, and an apartment complex in Florida, all through one REIT investment. REITs, the easy way to invest in real estate. Asset number 11, precious metals. Let's delve into the glittering world of gold, silver, and other precious metals. These shiny substances have served as a universal symbol of wealth for thousands of years, but they're more than just pretty trinkets. Precious metals are a tangible, finite resource that hold their value exceptionally well, providing a safe haven during economic turbulence. When currencies falter and stock markets quake, investors often turn to gold and silver to protect their wealth. These metals are immune to the whims of governments or financial institutions, making them a solid choice for those who value stability. Moreover, diversifying your portfolio with precious metals can reduce risk and potentially enhance returns. They can act as a buffer against inflation, safeguarding your purchasing power. So if you're looking to add a touch of sparkle to your investment strategy, consider the enduring allure of precious metals. Precious metals, the age-old store of value. Our 12th asset, luxury goods. Now this is where the art of living grand meets the science of smart investing. Luxury goods such as high-end watches and fine jewelry are not just symbols of affluence and taste. They can also be wise investments. These items often appreciate in value over time thanks to their rarity, craftsmanship, and the prestige of their brands. Consider the Rolex Daytona watch, for instance. It was initially sold for a few $100s in the 60s, but now a vintage Daytona can command hundreds of thousands, even millions at auction. Then there's fine jewelry, where the value isn't just in the precious metals and gemstones, but also in the brand's legacy and the piece's design. Investing in luxury goods is about appreciating beauty and craftsmanship, but also about understanding the market, the brands, and the trends. It's a sophisticated and enjoyable way to diversify your portfolio. Luxury goods, where opulence meets investment. Asset number 13, SaaS Businesses. In the digital era, software as a service, or SaaS businesses, are proving to be game changers. What sets these businesses apart is their unique model of delivering software over the internet, eliminating the need for users to install and run applications on their own computers or in their own data centers. This means lower upfront costs, reduced IT support costs, and no need for software maintenance or upgrades. Because of their subscription-based pricing model, SaaS businesses provide a steady stream of revenue and have the potential for high profit margins. They offer scalability and flexibility, allowing customers to access features on demand. This also means SaaS businesses can continually evolve and innovate, staying ahead of the competition. In an age where everything is moving towards the cloud, SaaS businesses are truly the future. They are rapidly transforming industries from healthcare to education, finance to entertainment. Our 14th asset, intellectual property rights. Now, this is where the fruits of your creativity can turn into a steady stream of income. Intellectual property rights, often referred to as IP rights, cover everything from inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, to names and images used in commerce. Think about it. Every time your favorite song plays on the radio, the songwriter is earning a royalty. The author of a best-selling novel gets paid every time a copy is sold. Software developers earn from each download of their app. These are all examples of intellectual property. In essence, owning intellectual property rights is like having a golden goose. It lays golden eggs in the form of royalties, licensing fees, and even sales. It's a powerful asset that combines creativity with commerce, and if managed well, can provide a stable and lucrative income stream. Intellectual property, where creativity meets commerce. Asset number 15, mutual funds. When it comes to investing, mutual funds are a popular choice, but why? Well, imagine a basket. This basket holds a mix of investments like stocks, bonds, or other assets. This is essentially what a mutual fund is. It allows you to diversify your investments, spreading your risk across a wide range of assets. One unique aspect of mutual funds is the professional management. Yes, you heard it right. With mutual funds, you have skilled professionals making investment decisions on your behalf. They have the expertise to analyze market trends and pick the right investments. This means you can sit back and relax while your money works for you. Additionally, mutual funds offer flexibility with features like systematic investment plans. This lets you invest at your own pace and according to your financial capacity. Mutual funds are a basket of opportunities. Each of these assets holds its own unique potential for wealth creation. The key takeaway? Diversification. Spreading your investments across various assets can help mitigate risks and increase your potential for financial growth. Invest wisely, and remember, the key to wealth is diversification. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a video from us. I will see you in the next video.